amplitude is 7. What's our period? What's in front of the x? A 1, so it's going to be 2 pi over 1. Which is just 2 pi. And then my PS, what's that stand for? So it's C over B. My B value is just 1, so my phase shift is just pi over 4. And when we say that's to the right or to the left, since it's plus pi over 4, it's going to be left pi over 4. And then did I have a vertical shift? No. So there was no vertical shift. Now, again, I just care about you getting one period for now. Sine, are you starting at the origin or starting up? Cosine starts up. Remember, the parent function of cosine is this. The parent function of sine is this. And that's stemming from our unit circle points on the axes. All right. The first point 0 in both graphs, like the x value is 0. The x value of the next point is 90 in both graphs. The third point is 180. The fourth point is 270. The last point is 360. Now, so I'm going to put an x at the origin. If that's my beginning, where's my end? 2 pi. Talk to your partner. Should I be above the x-axis, on the x-axis, or below the x-axis based on the picture of that parent function? What do we get? Up on the x-axis or below? On it. Good job. Again, because I'm replicating it off of these 3 points right there. Then my middle is at pi. I'm on the x-axis. And that should be up or down how much in the middle again? Up 1 for the first one, down 1 for the second one. Okay. So those pink X's, those are my amplitude and my period. My second step is I want to deal with reflections if I've got it, phase shifts, and vertical shifts. Do I have a reflection here? No negative out front. Do I have a vertical shift? Nope. All I have to go is left pi over 4. How much is one box in this picture if 4 boxes is pi? 1/4 pi, which is the same as pi over 4. So I'm just shifting everything left 1 box based off of this specific thing. So again, I always, for that first step, use X's, and the second step, I use dots so that I know to connect the dots and not the X's. If you would like to erase, the X's, you can, but I highly recommend this X's and dot situation because if you just use dots or just use X's, it gets confusing of what to connect. Okay. Now, for my cosine, what's my amplitude? 3. What's my period? The B value is 1, so it's 2 pi over 1. Good job. So just 2 pi. My phase shift, since it's 1 again, it's 2 pi. Sorry, it's C over B, so it's 3 pi over 4. It's all technically over 1 because that's the B value. So I'm just going to leave it as 3 pi over 4, and then I have a vertical shift of down 1. Because the first one we moved left, now that means we're going to move this one right. Great question. Good question. So cosine, so am I starting up 3 at the origin or down 3? I'm going to model it off of this picture up here, this parent function. Modeling it up 3, so I'll put an x up 3. I'm going to end up 3, just like the parent function. Let's get this loser out of the way. And then perfectly in the middle, am I up, on, or down? I'm down. Okay. And then perfectly in the middle again, I'm on the x-axis. Again, that's that first step of just the amplitude and the period. I have not reflected it. I have not shifted it left and right. I have not shifted it up and down. So 3 pi over 4, that is 3 boxes. So I'm going to count 3 boxes over, 1, 2, 3, and go down a box, 1. The next x, count 1, 2, 3, go down 1. The next x, 1, 2, 3, down 1. The next x, 1, 2, 3, down 1. And then the last x, yes, it's taking us off the page. 1, 2, 3, down 1 to make that cosine shape. Half a hill, a full valley, and half of a hill.